The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a flash flood warning for west central Cass County in southeastern North Dakota until 1 a.m. At 7:58 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2.5 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Castleton, Buffalo, Wheatland, Emden and Castleton Airport. Safety message: turn around, don't drown. Don't travel through flooded areas. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.